Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this MK7.5 Golf R in for handling upgrades, so Bilstein B14s and some wheel alignment. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you won't miss any of our new videos. So obviously upgrading the handling today. This particular car's already got some like engine hardware upgrades like air intake and stuff like that, so a little bit more power. The customer wants to install some aftermarket wheels, so we wanted to obviously get the ride height right as well, so when he fits the wheels there's a lot less arch gap. So obviously you're going to be fitting the Bilstein B14s, so it's a ride height adjustable coilover, so you can basically use these collars here to adjust the ride height up and down and also on the rear of the vehicle as well. And obviously with some improved springs and improved dampers you get an improvement in the handling as well. Obviously you're going to do the wheel alignment, so obviously removing the suspension, reinstalling it, everything's going to be at sync. So this particular customer has actually opted for regular wheel alignment, so the factory specs. So we're going to get all this fitted and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.